Hey, what's up, you guys? This is a quick and easy tutorial on how to tie a necktie. Let's get into it. What you're gonna do is take your tie, put it around your neck. The stitching should be maybe midway on your chest, on the upper part of your chest. Now, your necktie has two parts to it. It has a skinny part and it has a thick part. What you're gonna do is make sure that your thick part is 2 times the length of your skinny part. Now, take the thick part, you're gonna wrap it in a full loop around the skinny part. Next, you're going to take it, pull it behind it, up and over, and through the loop. Make sure that the brand labeling is not showing and that it's facing towards your chest. You take the skin, you hold the skinny part, you hold a knot. You pull the skinny part down and the knot up towards your neck. Make sure it's nice and secure and it's comfortable to your liking. You take your collar, pull it down, straighten it out, make it look good. And there you have it. You've tied your necktie. Peace.